Hey, do you live in a state where you need a front plate for your car and hate getting tickets when you don't run it because they look awful? Well, check out what my friend Safi has made.
What's up, Jason? So we made two different plate mounts for this car. One in the middle. Just mounts on magnets. There's alcantara on the back. And a bunch of buds.
That's beautiful.
We did one off to the side. Oh, there we go.
Amazing.
It uses 8 32-pound magnets, so it's not going anywhere.
Looks really good too.
Thanks, Jason.
Yeah.
Just finished up that track with Apex driving events. About to hit the road. Need a front plate.
Yeah. Don't want to get another ticket.
Nope.
They suck. Avoid it. Just and it blends in perfect. Very, very nice.
Thanks, Jason.
Yeah.
Check us out, aviboston.com.
I'll put a link to his contact info in the description, and if you're interested in getting a front plate mount for your car, hit him up.